Whether you're joining Facebook for the first time or setting up a new account, this step-by-step guide will make it easy. Let's get started. Before we dive into the setup process, here are a few things to keep in mind. You'll need a valid email address or phone number to register. Make sure to choose a strong password that's unique to Facebook. Facebook will ask for basic details like your name, birth date, and gender. Once you have these ready, let's move on to creating the account. If you're on a mobile device, here's how to create your Facebook account using the app. Open the App Store for iPhone users or Google Play Store for Android users. In the search bar, type Facebook and tap Search. Once you find the Facebook app, tap Get or Install to download it. Once the app has been downloaded, tap Open to launch Facebook. On the welcome screen, you'll see options to log in or create a new account. Since we're creating a new account, tap Create a new account. Now tap on the Get Started button. Enter your first name and last name. Tap Next. Select your birth date and tap Next. Select your gender and tap Next. Facebook offers a few different ways to sign up. You can create an account using your email address or phone number. Let's break it down. If you prefer using your email, select the Sign Up with Email option. Enter your phone number or email, and then tap Next. Facebook will send you a confirmation code via SMS or email, which you'll need to enter to verify your account. Let's see it in action. I will select the option to sign up with email, so I will tap on Sign Up with Email. I will write my email and tap Next. Create a strong password to protect your account. Facebook recommends using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for extra security. You can save your login info for an easier login. I suggest tapping on Save, but if somebody else is using this device also, you can tap Not Now. You need to agree to the terms of usage of the app. You can allow Facebook to send you notifications. If you want to receive real-time notifications, tap Allow. Now it's time to confirm the account. Write the confirmation code received on your phone or email and tap Next. Tap Add Picture to upload a photo from your phone's gallery or take a new one with your camera. This is your first chance to personalize your account, so choose a picture that represents you well. Facebook will want access to your contacts so they can show you people you already know. You can allow them access or not. I will not allow Facebook access, so I will tap Next. And on the next pop-up, don't allow. This is important for Facebook, so if you tap on that, you will get again the pop-up. Tap Not Now. Tap Next. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Facebook account. But what if you run into any issues while setting up your Facebook account? Here are a few quick solutions. Forgot your password? If you forget your password during the setup process, tap Forgot Password on the login screen. Follow the steps to reset it via your email or phone. Can't sign up with your email or phone? Make sure you're entering the correct phone number or email address. Double-check that there are no typos and that you're using an active email or phone number. App not working properly? If Facebook isn't working properly, try restarting the app or checking your internet connection. You can also update the app via the App Store or Google Play Store. And that's it. You've successfully created your very own Facebook account. Now you can start sharing, exploring, and connecting with others. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.